Ever had that embarrassing moment? You slide your Regions Bank debit card, the machine whirs, and then flashes a big, red declined at the checkout? It's frustrating, it's confusing, and it always seems to happen when you're in a hurry. But before you panic or assume the worst, you need to understand why your card might be declined and the fast, easy fixes you can do right away. Today, we're breaking down the top reasons your Regions debit card might get rejected and the step-by-step action plan to get your transaction approved. Part 1. The quick checks, the obvious and not so obvious. First things first, most declines are simple fixes. We've got 3 quick checks to run through, starting with the fastest. Quick check 1, the balance and the limit. It sounds obvious, but you have to check your account balance. Log into the Regions mobile app or online banking right now. Do you have enough available funds? A common mistake is forgetting that large pending transactions, like hotel or gas pre-authorizations, can temporarily drop your available balance. So even if your total balance looks okay, your available funds might be too low. Also, remember that debit cards often have daily spending limits, usually for security. If you made a huge purchase earlier in the day, you might have hit that cap. Quick check 2, the card status. Is your card locked? Regions offers a fantastic security feature called Lock It that lets you instantly lock your card via the app. If you've misplaced your card or just want an extra layer of security, you might have locked it and forgotten to unlock it before your purchase. Open the Regions app, find the Lock It feature, and make sure your card is set to unlocked for in-store or online purchases. Quick check 3, the expiration and data. Check the expiration date on your physical card. Is it expired? Did you get a new one and forget to activate it? You can usually activate your new Regions card right through the mobile app or by calling the number on the sticker. If you're shopping online, a decline often means you simply entered the wrong billing zip code, card number, or security code. Double-check every digit. It has to match what Regions has on file exactly. Part 2. The security declines, the need to call issues. If the quick checks didn't work, the decline is likely a security measure from the bank trying to protect you. This usually requires a phone call. Reason 4. Travel or unusual activity. Were you just trying to use your card 1,000 miles from home? Or maybe you were trying to buy a $5,000 antique sword when you usually only buy groceries. Regions' fraud detection system is constantly looking for unusual activity. If a purchase seems out of the ordinary, they'll decline it and flag your card to prevent potential fraud. Your action plan: call Regions Bank customer service immediately. The number for Visa debit card customer service is 1-800-295-8472. Tell the automated system or the representative that your card was declined due to a potential fraud alert. They can quickly verify the purchase with you and instantly remove the block. Reason 5. Suspected fraud or expired security. In some cases, your card may have been completely suspended because Regions believes it was compromised, or perhaps the magnetic strip or chip is simply failing. If this is the case, the fastest solution is often to visit a Regions branch. They can print you a new, instantly issued debit card right there in the branch, ensuring you have a working card immediately, and they can help you investigate any fraudulent activity. Don't let a declined card ruin your day. Start with the app, check your settings,